Now let's take a look at the slider constraint. This constraint allows an object to move along a single axis. Imagine a drawer in a cabinet. It can slide in and out, but it can't rotate or move in other directions. Alright, let's see how it works. Select the stand and add an active rigid body. Enable the animated option so we can control it with keyframes. Press K to insert a rotation keyframe. Then go to the frame 30, press R, then X and rotate the stand along the X-axis. Insert another keyframe. Now duplicate the keyframe and move it to frame 40. Go to the frame 70, rotate the stand back to its original position and insert another keyframe. Alright, now select the drawer and add an active rigid body. Hold Shift and select the stand. Then go to the Object menu, Rigid Body and Connect. Select the empty object and change the constraint type to slider. This constraint works along the x-axis of the empty object. So the direction of that axis is very important. Rotate the empty so its x-axis points in the direction the drawer should move. Now play the simulation. As you can see, the drawer slides along that axis just like a real drawer. You can also limit this movement. Enable the Linear X option. This allows you to set minimum and maximum limits for the movement. Let's set the lower value to 0 so the drawer doesn't go inside the stand. Then set the upper value to 0.3. Now play the simulation again. And that's it. The drawer moves within a control range just like it would in real life.